MDF 777 versus ADC Adscope 608. In this video, I'm going to compare the MDF 777 with the ADC Adscope 608. And by the end, hopefully, you'll know which one suits you. Let's do it. Price. I paid $99 for the MDF 777 and $95 for the ADC Adscope 608. Weight. The MDF 777 weighs 190 grams, which is 6.7 ounces, and the ADC Adscope 608 weighs 174 grams, which is 6.1 ounces. Acoustics. In my detailed review of the MDF 777, I gave it a 4-star out of 5, and the 608 received 3.5 stars out of 5. Tubing length. The MDF 777 is 78 centimeters long, which is 30.7 inches, and the ADC Adscope 608 is 77 centimeters, which is 3.3 inches. Very similar in length. The MDF 777 is just a little bit longer. Tubing feel. In my detailed review, both of these stethoscopes received 2 out of 5 stars. The MDF 777 is, in my opinion, too rigid, and the ADC Adscope 608 is sticky. Spare kit. With the MDF 777, you'll receive 2 sets of ear tips, small and large, a spare plastic diaphragm, a name tag, and a user manual. With the ADC Adscope 608, you'll receive 2 sets of ear tips, small and large, name tag, a non-chill rim, and a user manual. The main difference here is that the ADC Adscope comes with a pediatric diaphragm, whereas the MDF 777 does not. Warranty. The MDF 777 offers free parts for life against manufacturing defects, and the ADC Adscope 608 has a lifetime warranty. When I do my detailed stethoscope reviews, I give them a score out of 50. The MDF 777 received 31.5 out of 50, and the ADC Adscope received 36.5 out of 50. If you're still tossing up between these two, I do recommend that you go and check out my full detailed review. I will leave a link for them in the show notes. Thanks for watching. I will see you on the next video, and as always, remember, listen with your heart.